All right, Max, you already know this part of freight train, right? Right? Pinch 1, 4, 5, then thumb to 4. Right? That's 6, 1, 4. That's 5, 2, 4. So now, this is adding more stuff in here I'm going to do now, right? So this is, and it's syncopating stuff, because right now we're right on the beat, right? Right? So hear that. Sorry. Here's the next part. That's when I got my first finger involved. So almost got them all. That's really what I want. That's what I want. That last bit is index on the third finger and 4. I miss it sometimes. Right? Pretty cool. Slow this down and pick it apart. You can see my right hand. You can see my left hand.